Have you ever wondered how many glaciers there are in the world? And what would happen if they all melted? Glaciers, majestic ice formations, are crucial components of Earth's cryosphere. Found in polar regions and mountainous terrains, they result from the accumulation and compaction of snow over centuries. Glacial movements shape landscapes, carving valleys and fjords. As temperatures rise due to climate change, glaciers globally are experiencing accelerated melting, contributing to rising sea levels. This poses threats to coastal communities and ecosystems. These are the countries that are already on the brink of extinction due to the rise of sea levels. The question is, what would happen if all the glaciers melted? The answer is, the sea level would rise up to 60 meters, and this is how the cities would look. But this is just a visualization of how it would look if it actually happened. In reality, NASA predicts that the rise in sea levels would be up to 3 to 6.5 feet, which is enough to submerge cities like these. What actions can be taken to address this issue? We need to halt black carbon emissions, minimize water waste, engage in tree planting initiatives, promote recycling, and embrace solar energy. Glaciers play a crucial role in mitigating global warming by acting as massive reflective surfaces, bouncing sunlight back into the atmosphere, and regulating Earth's temperature. Since 1912, the renowned snows of Kilimanjaro have melted by over 80%. The glaciers in the Garhwal Himalaya in India are melting rapidly, with projections suggesting that most eastern and central Himalayan glaciers could nearly vanish by 2035. While permanently stopping glacial melting may be challenging, taking appropriate measures can reduce its rate and benefit the environment.